Hello everyone, today we have the following math problem. 9 divided by 9 divided by 9 next to 3 minus 1 all squared. This is a good example of how correctly to use the order of operation PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, so it always must be done in the first place. E stands for exponents. Here we have exponents, so after solving the parentheses, we do exponents in the second. M and D stands for multiplication and division. It must be done in the third place, but what's important should be done from left to right. What does it mean? So you can see here we have division, and here we have multiplication. That means that we cannot do first, for example, this division, multiplication, and then jump to this one. No, all must be done from left to right. And the last one is addition and subtraction. Here we have only subtraction, but it's in parentheses, so we'll do it anyway in the first place. But if here we would have had subtraction or addition, this would be done in the fourth place after parentheses, exponents, multiplication, and division. Another thing is, as mentioned, for example, here we should not do first, for example, this multiplication, then this division, because most of the people, what they do, they try to combine. So, for example, they combine 9 divided by 9, so they get 1. Then they do the parentheses, for example, so 3 minus 1, 2, square 4. So then they do 9 multiplied by 4 is 36, and then they do the division. But of course, and they get, for example, 1 over 36. But of course, this is not correct, because we must follow the order of operation, and multiplication and division must be done from left to right. Okay, this said, let's start solving the equation. We do first the parentheses, so 3 minus 1. So what we get, we have 9 divided by 9 divided by 9 multiplied by 2 squared. So as we saw previously, 2 squared is 4. So at the end what we get, I'll just write it, bear with me please. Multiplied by 4. Now we are at the third level where multiplication and division must be done from left to right. This said, we do first this division, and then this multiplication. So what we have is 9 divided by 9 we have equals to 1 divided by 9 multiplied by 4. Okay, so what we have is 1 divided by 9, we can write it as 1 over 9 multiplied by 4, which equals in the end of 4 over 9. And here we go, and the answer would be 4 over 9. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Ciao, ciao.